So for a lot of people, their dream with their cleaning company is to have somebody else run it for them. And that also could mean that you franchise it or you sell the business. But we know to get to that point, you have to have other people in the business because there simply isn't enough time for you to do everything yourself. You're going to bottleneck yourself, which is the biggest bottleneck that I generally see in cleaning companies is the cleaning company owner. But usually that's off the back of trust, right? Now, we know that trust has to be earned, but maybe you've been burned before. Maybe you were passing out some of your cleaning to a new cleaner and it didn't go well. Maybe you've been passing out to a supervisor, that didn't go well, or an operations manager, or even a managing director. So maybe you've been burned before and now you think, actually, I think I'll just do it myself. Because if I do it myself, I know that things are going to go well, pretty much. So what I want you to think about is this. Instead of putting your trust in people initially, I want you to put your trust in your systems.